Hey, what's up? Jonathan here, and in today's video, I'm going to unbox this item called Decent Hardware Wallet. It's a cryptocurrency hardware and cold storage that can support up to 3,000 different cryptocurrencies. And aside from having a large OLED display, it also has a biometrics authentication feature. I'm very excited to unbox this item, so let's get started. Here we go. All right, let's see what's inside. Let's see. There you go. It's now open. Ayan, bukas na siya. All right, and let's see what's inside. Let's remove this box. Lagay natin dyan. Nice. Important note, it says that do not use if seal is broken. So make sure that it's sealed and the moment of truth. So the first item that I'm seeing here is welcome card. Well, there's a lot of stuff inside. Okay. The manual, I'm seeing the manual here and the wallet. So there's this welcome card here. So to get started, you need to scan this QR code. It's not going to be hard eventually because they have this step-by-step process so that you can easily set up your wallet. So again, you'll see that here. Here's one important item here in the box. It's your recovery sheet. So this is where you're going to be writing down your personal recovery sheet later on once you set up your wallet. But we're not going to do that right now. We're going to be doing that in my next videos. These are all the items. And of course, most importantly, the biometrics. Ayan. So let's remove this here. Alright. And the wire. And what else? Meron pa ba? Okay, I think that's it. And there you go. These are the items inside Decent box. In my next video, I'll show you how to set up this wallet, how to activate all the features of this wallet. So stay tuned and wait for my next video.